Hi everyone, my name is Dragan and I'm a cruise manager with AmaWaterways. Currently here on the island of Mallorca in Spain, although I'd rather be cruising with you on the Danube through to my most favorite region in Austria, the Wachau Valley. Located just a few sailing hours west of Vienna, it is most charming with small towns, villages and dotted with vineyards and apricot trees. Their apricots being so famous, they got their own name, the marille, and something you should try there is the Marillen Schnapps. But also Austria's most famous white wine comes from the area called the Grüner Veltliner, light and fruity white wine, and something you could do at home while you're dreaming of the Danube is make a little drink called the Kaiserspritzer. The only thing you need is some light fruity white wine, add some soda water, ice cubes and a dash of elderflower syrup, and then you have the emperor's favorite drinks. Until then, cheers and see you on the Danube.